Hello, everyone. I would like to share how to use Pace with the OpenAI plugin to generate random sample data from a table schema without knowing anything about the contents of the table. You need a Pace installation with an OpenAI plugin configured. So let's check that first. Pace list plugins. There we go. Generates the action generates sample data. You need to configure this via a payload, and I've prepared an example. So this is a schema, which is a Dutch schema. Gebruikersnaam is username, organization, customer number, and bank account. So I'm asking it to generate some sample data, and I want the CSV column headers and give me 5 rows. So let's do that. Paste, invoke plugin, OpenAI, generate sample data, min payload sample short.yaml. Typically takes about 20 seconds. We are still surprised at how much skill GPT-4 has in figuring out what you want. You'll be surprised. Okay, there we go. Email, well, .com emails. Gebruikersnaam, yeah, username, organization. Well, doesn't look too bad. Client number, yeah, it made up something, not unreasonable. And Europe, a Dutch style IBAN bank account. But I'm not completely satisfied. I would rather have email addresses in Europe. So I'm going to add a little more to the payload. And I've prepared this. So we can give additional instructions. Give me 20 rows. If it's an email, use email domains in Europe. The client number, the customer number, give me 7 digits between 1 million and 3 million, and use European style IBAN, which it already figured out because the word bankrekening is a Dutch one. If you would actually have bank account, it would come up with non-IBAN style bank accounts. So let's try this one. Payload. There we go. And here we are. Well, that looks very European email addresses. It's not so. It doesn't. It didn't come up with European language enterprise names. That would probably be something else. I think the customer numbers look okayish. Very different IBAN accounts. Look, for instance, the Italian one. It's a lot longer than the Dutch one, which is correct. So yeah, all in all, we're quite happy with this.